Ladies and gentlemen, I have a really cool announcement today from one of my favorite companies doing work in the space, Unstoppable Domains. They have a brand new .crypto domain coming, something you don't want to miss. Let's hash it out. So for those of you who may have watched my previous Unstoppable Domains video, you'll probably remember that Unstoppable Domains' main mission is to provide a domain name service mapping between a human readable name and your crypto addresses, and in the future, provide you a way to create your own IPFS-based decentralized website that you can post your own content to and host with a decentralized domain name. When Unstoppable Domains came into the scene, they were focused on creating .zil domains that are based on the Zilliqa blockchain. And their domain name service is actually live right now on the Zilliqa blockchain itself. So if you purchased yourself a .zil domain name, then you can go into your Unstoppable Domains account, you can claim that domain with your Zilliqa address, and you can use it and manage it however you like. And there are already pretty well-respected wallet providers like Coinomi that already allow you to use your .zil domain name to send cryptocurrency to other people once you've claimed it. And I'm really excited to see Unstoppable Domains start to deliver on this really cool technology and really cool product. I've personally gotten the chance to claim my own domain, Hashoshi.zil, and I've gone ahead and used it on Coinomi to test it out, and it's awesome. But the much bigger news is that starting today, Unstoppable Domains is launching a brand new domain extension called .crypto on the Etherium blockchain. Unstoppable is taking the same technology they used to implement the .zil domains, and they're bringing that to the Ethereum blockchain for the .crypto domain names. So what are some of the things you can do with this .crypto domain? You can go ahead and pick one up and you can map multiple different crypto addresses to this one single human readable name. And through a wallet that has implemented the Unstoppable Domains SDK, it can go ahead and send you cryptocurrency using that human readable .crypto domain. So for me, I went ahead and claimed my Hashoshi.crypto human readable name for the Ethereum blockchain. And once I claim it and map my crypto addresses to it, if I go on Coinomi and someone wants to send me cryptocurrency, they can type in Hashoshi.crypto. That'll send the transaction out and I will receive it at my crypto address without them having to copy and paste a long string of values, without having to know my public key address. Super easy. And I think this is very helpful for adoption. Obviously in the future, I'm gonna migrate my own website over to my Hashoshi.crypto domain on the Ethereum blockchain. And this is in progress. I actually spoke to a couple of folks from Unstoppable Domains last week about this very process, and they're working on documentation to create your own IPFS website that is mapped and hosted by your .crypto or .zil domain. So that stuff is coming, and I know that that's been advertised and people are waiting for it and asking for it. Their platform is live, that stuff is coming. So if you're interested in getting yourself a .crypto domain or another .zil domain, or if you don't have one yet, getting either one, there are some key dates that you need to know. So from today, October 11th, 2019, through to October 21st, 2019, they're doing a buy one, get one free deal on domains. So if you buy an 8-character or more .zil domain, you're gonna get that same .crypto domain as well. So you're gonna get 2 for 1. But also for every $1 you spend towards a .zil domain, you're going to go ahead and get another $1 in credit on your account to use for other domains. So you're gonna get a lot of value between the 11th and the 21st if you wanted to make a purchase. And then from October 22nd, 2019 to October 31st, 2019, if you bought a .zil domain in the past, they're not gonna punish you for doing that. So they're obviously gonna give you credit based on what you paid to pick up the equivalent .crypto domain. So on the 22nd, if you already purchased a .zil domain in the past, you're gonna get credit in your account to then also have first right of refusal on getting that .crypto domain equivalent. And finally, between November 1st and November 7th, the Ethereum blockchain application hosting the .crypto domains is going to go live and get deployed. That will also enable anyone who has .crypto domains reserved throughout October is going to then get access to those domains in the management portal on the Unstoppable Domains website, just like you did with your .zil. And this Unstoppable Domains management portal is where you can claim your domain, you can go ahead and map your cryptocurrency addresses, you can manage your domain names that you've purchased on their website. So whether or not you want to pick up a brand new domain or you want to claim one that you already grabbed in the past, definitely go and check out the link down below in the description. It'll take you over to Unstoppable Domains website. you can check out the domains that are available or go into your management dashboard after the 22nd, I believe, and see where you're at in terms of credits. Now, I know a lot of people are gonna ask this and they're gonna say, well, why, if they're already live on Zilliqa, are they going to launch on Ethereum? Is something wrong? And that's a completely fair question. And the reasons are this. First and foremost, Zilliqa, the cryptocurrency, while they're live on that platform, it's really hard for people in the US and plenty of other jurisdictions around the world to get their hands on Zilliqa cryptocurrency. It's also a situation where Zilliqa is still developing, as are a lot of other protocols and platforms. And so now that they're live on that platform, they can start to build up to the point where they can get Zilliqa in the hands of more people and they can utilize the platform to its fullest potential on those .zil domains. They ran into this issue while they were trying to do the auction for .zil domains. Not enough people could get their hands on Zilliqa, and that was a major roadblock for them. Moving over to Ethereum, there are far more users who have access to Ethereum. There are far more users who have the ability to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. They have keys and they already use all the products that are equivalent on Ethereum. So the idea is we can create .crypto domains. We can start using this platform more and more. And the .zil domains will also be usable. It's just gonna take time to reach maturity on that particular platform. The good news here is that the .zil domains are live and they're working. I've claimed mine and used it. And the .crypto domains are coming very soon, and it'll be a lot easier for people to use those. So Unstoppable Domains is launching, and they have quite a lot of stuff going on in the background right now to help people get their own small and of course simple websites deployed on IPFS and on their .zil or .crypto domains. So definitely stay tuned for that one. I know I'm excited about that as well. All that being said, guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification button so we can hang out every single time I post a new video, which is every single week. Thank you guys in advance. Cheers.